Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will answer the question, what is a constant? A constant is a term that is not attached to a variable. And by attached, I mean with multiplication, with division, or with a power. Okay, let's look. We have 4 examples here. Identify all constants in these expressions. We have 4 separate expressions here, and I'm going to put a box around each constant. Okay, first we have 4x. This is 4 is the coefficient of x, and the 4 is being multiplied by x, so it is not a constant. Now we have plus 5. Plus 5 is not being multiplied, divided, or with a power attached to a variable. So this plus 5 is a constant. Now we have negative 3x squared. The negative 3 is being multiplied by x squared. So it's attached to a variable. Negative x, that's a variable. Positive 6, this is a constant. It is not attached by multiplication, division, or a power to a variable. In the first expression, we have boxed the constants. Next, we have 4 to the power of x. This 4 is being raised to the power of a variable. So it's attached to a variable and it's not a constant. Minus 3. Minus 3 is not being multiplied, divided, or raised to a variable. It's by itself. So it is a constant. That minus 3 is always minus 3. Okay. Now we have plus 5x. That 5 is attached to a variable, so it's not a constant, but this plus 7 is a constant. So you have a constant that stays the same regardless of if your variable or letter changes value. These constants stay the same even if the variable becomes a different number. Next example, we have 5y to the third power. That 5 is being multiplied by a variable, so it is not a constant. Now we have plus 10. That is a constant term, plus 10. Remember, the plus or minus sign goes with the term that immediately follows it. So box it together with that term. Now we have minus x, that's a variable, plus 7y. 7 is being multiplied by a variable, so it's not a constant, but negative 2 is a constant. It will not change value when y or x changes value. It will always stay minus 2. Okay, next term. Next expression. We have the first term, 9. This is a positive 9. It is not attached to a variable. Therefore, it's a constant. Plus n squared, that's a variable, minus 4n. That negative 4 is being multiplied by a variable. Minus 7 is not attached to a variable. So we were going to, I don't know what's going on with my pen here for a second. There we go. That negative 7 is a constant. And then our last term is positive 2n. 2 is being multiplied by n. Okay, we have boxed all the constants. So constants are terms which are separated by addition or subtraction from other terms that are not attached to a variable with multiplication, division, or an exponent. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.